We found this tape labeled Florida 95-96 at a flea market. We took it home to capture. This is what was on it.
Hello, today is April 3rd, 1996, and this is my movie of the house, just so that everybody can see what our house down here looked like at 212 14th Place. So here we go. I'll bring you outside afterwards. It's a beautiful day, probably about 75, and the sun, bright sunshine, it's beautiful. So here we go into our house at 212 14th Place. Here's the entrance here. Nice little mirrors. Living room straight ahead. Oh, look at some exotic palm trees. And let's see. Nice little iguana picture there. Here's our guest room and my office. Probably a little messy now because I've started packing some stuff up, as you can see. Hoping to move into the new house on April 16th. Only 13 days away. So this is our little guest bedroom. That's where all I do is slave away at my desk there. And little bathroom in here. Ah, yes, la toilette. So let's see. What famous people slept in here? Uncle Corny slept here. Frank Lanphier, Ted Ross, and Kim were all here as our guests this year down here. Pretty good gang. Now this is our laundry room here, where we store our recyclables and such. And a view of the garage, which you know who needs to neaten up as usual. Our stuff and some of Patty Power's stuff. So that's that. Now moving back into the main area here. Again, our living room. You can see out to the pool, our island, our kitchen. Yeah, it's a nice house here. Problem is, it's on the wrong side of the canal. But let's see, Edward's Grill that he was kind enough to loan us here, and now we're walking out to the back of the house. And you can see the canal there, and that's just a big empty field on the other side of the canal. Not so forever, I'm sure. They'll be putting something in there soon. And a picture of our pool, little pool here. It's warmed up nicely. It's probably 80 degrees in the pool, so we were in the other day. No complaints. And the wood deck. Oh, there's our chaises. Wood deck goes around and all the way, well, almost to the end there. So that's our little back porch. And taking you along the pool, over to the master bedroom suite. You can see my lovely laundry hanging out. And into the master bedroom suite. We have a big bedroom, only a queen size bed, but we've gotten used to it. But it's a nice, comfortable bedroom. We like it. We have our TV and our VCR, all the comforts of home. And we have a great big huge closet, which we're coming up to in here. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's a huge walk-in closet. So it's a nice size. You can see how much clothes we brought. Corny was horrified that we even owned so many clothes. And, oh, there's the movie taker herself. Hi, Beth. And let's see, a little thing I put together for Marv for Christmas. Pictures of us. Isn't that nice? And let's see, I'll turn it off till I take you outside for a little view of the outside. And here we are outside. We kind of have all our vehicles out here, so it's hard to get a good view of the house. But here's Miley, jump in the car, my new Jeep, which she scratched this morning. That was nice. Hi, Joe. Hi, Jojo. And let's see, the camper over here. And, oh, I won't turn into the sun. Let's see, we'll take a little walk over here. There's Sunny and Ria's house, who we've become good friends with. They're wonderful people from Ottawa or Toronto. And they're leaving on Monday. But you can see we're at the end on a cul-de-sac down here. So it's nice and quiet, no traffic. Probably can hear Indian River Boulevard, which is right behind that house over there. There's the sign for our house here. Bill lives over there. It's pretty much a nice group over here. And let's see, the back of Marv's truck, which is no beauty. I guess the side of the house over there. There's probably about as good a view of the house as you can get with all the vehicles in. So anyways, that's the tour of 212 14th Place on April 3rd, 96. Signing out.